Imagine frantic mornings searching for your keys. Now, picture a dedicated spot where they always hang neatly. Let's dive into making a DIY key holder. Start with the benefits. A key holder keeps your keys organized and accessible, saving you time and stress. First, gather your materials. A wooden board, hooks or nails, paint or stain, optional, a ruler, pencil, drill or hammer, and screws or nails. Neatly lay them out. Prepare the wooden board by measuring and marking where the hooks will go. Choose a board that complements your home's decor. Ready to drill or hammer? Make pilot holes or hammer nails at the marked spots. Ensure even spacing and secure hooks. If you like, paint or stain the board using weather-resistant options. Pick colors or finishes that enhance your room's decor. Add your personal touch with stencils, decals, or small ornaments. Ensure decorations don't interfere with functionality. Now, install the key holder on the wall using screws or nails. Choose a convenient and accessible location. Finally, hang your keys and admire your handiwork. Enjoy the simplicity and practicality of your new key holder. Now, no more lost keys, just pure organization bliss.